beats rough, hit the track like a V-dub. Jimmy in my hand, I'm never sipping on a lean cup. I change it up on the rhythm when the erupt. Pop rock to the sax when my knees tuck. I'm feeling villain with the brothers while we snap bread. You always see I get it popping like a Mac 10. And I don't really care about your rap trends. I disappear from the scene like the Aztecs. I hit the booze, then I snooze on the backbench. When I'm in the mood, see I cruise like a black jet. I gobble rapper, now they calling me a fat man. Step into me, you'll get toppled with the backhand. Game over, lakeside take over. Blaze cones, it tastes like grape soda. Game over, lakeside take over. Blaze cones, it tastes like grape soda.
Yeah, yeah, Lakeside, diabetic. Yeah, it's the cypher. Get it inside ya, I'm a shithead, catch my drift like a shipwreck. Rip a 6 set, then I get my dick wet. Sniff ket, then I shift to my 6th sense. Lit like some incense, kicking in your picket fence. Hip hopping like a cricket's legs, drinking Ted. Sick of feds, brought a pair of scissors just to snip your dreads. Bitches in my bed, love to give me head. At least it's what your sister said. I'm shipping off the Winnipeg chicken egg with a bit of bacon on the side. Outwitting the devil, looking Satan in his eyes. Taken by surprise, I'm an alien disguised. Then I'm climbing out the crater, then invading from the skies. Rise with my guys on the lakeside, tripping bowls like I'm kicking with my lace tied, brain fried. I'm collaborating statewide, swing a samurai sword like I'm Snake Eyes.
Plotting on the cypher while I sharpen my shank, twisting blunt so tight it's like a fresh set of braids. These dummy do-rags couldn't handle the weight, so I give it to them straight, chase shots to the brain. Just a mic and a pad, call that shit my man cave. My girl, shake that ass, but we don't play the mind games. When it's hard time, she set the bar high, bars tight. Always beat that pussy up like we in a bar fight. Yeah, I'm Irish. We do that shit a lot. This misfit, catch me on the lakeside, yeah. Better give me scratch, I was due to catch a break. I don't do this for the cash, just exterminating snakes, rats, cockroaches. Ain't nobody get a pass. Wide awake, woke folk don't poke this bear when he slumber. Underground, flow straight gutter, slice throats for the right price. Give me a number, they go for every legend has been. Rookie up and comer, every ounce of happiness. Youth converted to suffer. Every night we break bread, painted as the last supper. So many shady motherfuckers call themselves brothers these days.
Oh, chilling on the lakeside, coming live from the land of the faded eyes. Tight like cable ties, why go why? Cause the world's so messed up. I hit the stage like a 1980s wrestler. You listen to the best of, to back it up like your desktop. Get out of leads like a bobby on the beat. Yeah, I'm wobbly on my feet, but never am I wobbly with my elemental piece. A, B, C, D to the E, F. I get the bells ringing like it's reset. Step to attention. Salute the general like token. I take blow your house off the pedestal. The big bad wolf killer. Munching green like a caterpillar. Lo-fi hating rap, but they love a dealer. Nothing iller than the mind. It's context on the mind, still keeping it hard to find.
You know what's really hard to find out here? Dope MCs. But what I've come to notice lately is that they seem to be chilling lakeside. Hi, my name is Spade and I answer to none. I'm packing cannons and guns. Rappers I slander for fun. No one's copping your weak verses, man. The damage is done. So trash they give you no cash as Sanford and Son, you big dummy. That shit's funny, now I am loud, yeah. I get money, I'm keeping an eye on my accountant. I write murderous verses after I climb a mountain. Blunt in the pad, so that gas is what this fire's doused in. I'm arousing the thick hoes and rap nerds. Leaving hacks serve, make them go back to jacket passwords. I'm cooking, looking militant with steak knives. You're facing Jason, I'm killing shit on lakeside. I stage dive into a bottomless pit. That still ain't stopping your chick from licking the top of my dick. The plot is so thick, bullets can be stopped with his hips. Y'all motherfuckers ain't rocking with this, no.
I've been carrying the state, it might break my back. Internationally known with these lakeside raps. It feels like Knave's wild raps, bringing 8 Mile back. Dropping bombs off my chest, I can fade Cyrax. Been the hardest in this city, in this sector. I'm I'm an artist, know it simply like a vector. Heavy is the crown that weigh up on my head, word. I'm the king up in this ring, where's my scepter? The threats heard, throwing shots up like I'm Steph Kerr. Your head's turned, getting dunked in the net first. My best verse, put these nerds in the next hearse. My head's cursed, that lead burst on Fred Durst. Was made Hades, you fakes hate me but change daily. This brain's crazy, I'm Wayne Gacy, you Wayne Brady. Remain hazy from puffing all these plain daisies. Baked, chilling out the lake where your dame Bane
Τον
meets
ίδιο δρόμο ακολουθούν όσοι θέλουν να είναι το επίκεντρο. Ότι τα πρόβατα κάνουν, κάνω το ακριβώς αντίθετο. Ζούμε την εποχή που δικαιώνει τον ηλίθιο. Κι αν δεν να βγάλεις άκρη με αυτό το κακό συνήθιο. Βαρύ σκονισμένο κι ασήκωτο, βρήκα το αντίδοτο. Μέσα σε ένα κόσμο ασυνείδητο, συνειδητοποιώ πως το απλό και λογικό είναι ιδεατό. Και η σκέψη αυτή είναι σκοτεινή ως το κόκαλο. Διακρίνω περηφάνεια σε ένα σύνολο γλιώδες. Δεν έχουν χαρακτήρα, καταπιάνονται από μόδες. Εκπροσωπώντας το γνήσιο την καστρατιώτης. Όποιος ξέχασε το hip hop είναι του hip hop προδότης. Έχω σεβασμό γι' αυτό και σεβας παίρνω πίσω. Δεν υπάρχει κάποια θέση που θέλω να διεκδικήσω. Έχουμε αγάπη κοινή αρκετή να ενώσει τον πλανήτη. Κι είναι αυτό που ονομάζω μαγεία, σαν τον τοίχο με γραφίτι. Δικαπάρα.
Like Darth Vader, hippie reading on the farm paper. Yoda looking like a monkey grinning with the sharp razor. Chewbacca in the back, charging up his large laser. Thinking in his marching solo, come with the parts later. Writing movie scripts like I'm behind the scenes. Wipe the beats, meditating on some China leaves. Slice the cheese, elevating to the sky you see. Slice the sea in a land full of spicy green. They see me lifting the weights as I raise the bar. Chase the stars in the galaxy, the angels march. Face the dark as I'm following the stable path. Paint the star to the end like I was made for art. I write for days, spitting till my spine decays. My mind's afraid, the spirits in my life today. The sky will rain, spilling on a viral plague. And they will never listen to me when they die in pain. I pass the gate, showing off katana blades. I scar your face, throwing on some large grenades. I can't escape the thoughts of my past mistakes. I laugh away, feeding on some garlic steak. I'm always asking myself, do I fit in the scene? Then I think again, I'm just another fish in the sea. Repping a beat when I'm cooking, see me flipping the meat. Got that trip on a Barbie and chicken and beef. I hate listening to rappers that are off the beat. I'd rather chill at home and play Monopoly. Toss my keys in a valley with no pot to pee. Lost at sea in an ocean full of rotten reef. You think you're because I'm tripping in jail. You act smart, joking that you think you're a rock star. You like bars, probably live in a backyard. You wanna stack large, but you just blow it on crack. Shot all these whack cats, they're on the top of the line. Showing off katana blades, I scar your face. Throwing on some large grenades. I can't escape the thoughts of my past mistakes. I love away, eating on some garlic steak. I'd rather fight with my mates in the streets of the bar. Your mates, but you're all trash, love with the snakes. You probably don't know how to put a vinyl on tape. Scratching my legs while I'm kicking in the back of my neck. Snapping the bread, chatting to my actual head. Then I bust through, bringing on a factual test. I'm out of time, pacing to the mountain sky. I'm walking down the river street to find a fat and rise. Facing another road, listening to sounds of rock. Mount the mark on the standing river scene. Throwing on some large grenades. I can't escape the thoughts of my past mistakes. I laugh away, reading on some garlic steak. I pass the gate, showing off katana blades. I scar your face, throwing on some large grenades. I can't escape the thoughts of my past mistakes. I laugh away, feeding on some garlic steak.